Afronita's viral presentation, cheers and noise in the lecture hall. Ghanaian dancer Afronita captivated her classmates during a lively presentation in the lecture hall. The room erupted with cheers as students celebrated Afronita's talent and charisma on stage. A fellow student shared the unforgettable moment on TikTok, quickly gaining viral attention online. Viewers are left wondering if the lecturer could even hear Afronita over the enthusiastic applause. This joyful display highlights the strong bond and support among students in their learning journey. Join us for more inspiring stories like Afronita's.